In this video, I will show how to install HCL Rtist. HCL Rtist runs on the Eclipse platform. And for running Eclipse and Rtist, you need to first have Oracle Java Runtime Environment 8 installed. Before you start the installation process, you need to have the following files downloaded: Eclipse IDE for C, C++ developers, Oracle Java Standard Edition Runtime Environment, HCL Rtist, a license file for HCL Rtist. Download links for all the files you can find in the description below. Refer to the installation instructions so that you are installing the correct Java and Eclipse version. I have added a link in the description below to the installation instructions. First, install Java. Follow the installation wizard. Click Install, and OK. Eclipse is installed by unzipping the archive to a folder. In this case, to a folder named Rtist. Rtist can be installed in many different ways. Here I will use the Eclipse feature Install New Software. Open folder Rtist and Eclipse. Then start the Eclipse executable. When Eclipse have started, open menu Help and install new software. Give the repository a name, click on Archive and browse to the Rtist installation zip file. Click Add button. Select Rtist Core. This will install the core functionality of Rtist. You can install additional features later. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. And click Finish to begin the installation. Once the installation is done, you will be asked to restart Eclipse. The last thing to do is to apply the license file. Open Menu, Windows and Preferences. Navigate to Real-Time Development and License. Click Browse button and locate your Rtist license.bin file. You will be requested to restart Eclipse once again. When Eclipse has started, the installation process is complete.